Good morning, 12B. I had given you 3 examples about how to calculate interest on drawings under shortcut method. 2 more problems today I am going to give you when the date of withdrawal is not mentioned in the problem. Look at the problem. Karishma, a partner in the firm, withdrew Rs 28,000 during the year ending 31/3/19. Interest is chargeable at 8% per annum. Calculate interest on Karishma's drawings. In this problem, there is no date of withdrawal is mentioned. So how to take average period? I have underlined one word, the year ending 31/3/19. It means they are following the financial year and that is for the year ending. It means 1 year they are following as a year ending. So how to calculate interest on drawings? Interest on drawings equal to total drawings into rate into average period divided by 12. Total withdrawal is 28,000 and the rate of interest is 8% and average period can be taken as 6 months. So the answer will be 1120. It means when they follow the whole year, it means 12 months. So 6 months can be taken as the average period. In the next problem, promotes drawings during the off-year ending 30/9/2018 is 18,000. The rate of interest is chargeable at 6% per annum. Calculate interest on his drawings. Here they are following off-year ending. It means 1/4/18 to 30/9/18. 6 months they are following as a financial year. So in this we can take average period as 3 months. Interest on drawings equal to 18,000 into 6% into 3 by 12. So it is 270. So I have given you note also to understand it clearly. When the date of withdrawal is not specified, average period can be taken as 3 months. Okay. Let's go to the another adjustment, interest on partner's loan. If any partner advances loan to the firm, is entitled to receive interest at an agreed rate. It means partner may give loan to the business, he can get interest at the agreed rate. Otherwise, when partnership deed is silent, he should be given 6% per annum as interest. And interest on loan is a charge against the profit but not an appropriation against the profit. It means it should be given compulsorily and it is not an appropriation. Let me explain with one problem. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:3 with the capitals of 60,000 and 30,000 respectively. And they both are granting loan to the business on 1/10/18, that is 1,20,000 and 60,000. And partnership deed is silent to the interest. The profits before any interest for the year amounted to Rs 6,300. We have to prepare profit and loss appropriation to ascertain the amount of distributable profits. Look at the problem once again. They have granted loan 1,20,000 and 60,000 on 1/10/18. It means in the middle of the year they are granting loans to the business. So how to calculate interest? Let's go. To present interest on loan, we have 2 ways to approach. I told you it is a compulsion to give interest to the partners. So we can show it into the profit and loss account. Credit side, I have posted 6,300 as gross profit and interest on loan to partner A is 3,600 and B is 1,800. It means off year only we have to give. From 1st October to 31st March only we have to calculate for interest at the 6% per annum. So the final amount net profit is 900 that we can brought down to profit and loss appropriation account 900. Next, that amount will be a distributable amount that can be distributed to partners in the equal ratio. It means partnership deed is silent, so it can be given as equal. In the next way, it can be shown directly in the profit and loss appropriation account. It means credit side we will bring as it is the amount. It means profit and loss account. We have net profit 6,300 minus total interest on loan is 5400. It can be deducted here, and the remaining amount we can show as in net profit 900. The same we can distribute to the partners in their equal ratio. I have given you the workings also, how to calculate interest. For A, 1,20,000 into 6% into 6 by 12 is 3,600. For B, 60,000 into 6% into 6 by 12 equal to 1,800. So in this way we can show interest on loan. Thank you.